You're going to have a whole lot of love for this easy and tasty recipe done in the air fryer. Start by combining the 6 tablespoons of pre-chopped butter with 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds. Stir. And repeat till it looks like a big bowl of black goo. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract till pulverized. That looks good. To the raw egg mixture, add 3 tablespoons of flour, about 30 grains of kosher salt, and the chocolate mixture. Stir them till well combined. Pour the mixture evenly into 4 5-ounce ramekins that are pre-soaked in grease. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes. Once that's done, place the ramekins into the air fryer and cook for 16 minutes at 370 degrees, checking after 8 minutes for doneness. You can check by shaking them and seeing how much they wiggle. The more wiggle, the less done they are. Once they are cooked to your liking, allow it to cool. Then use a knife to go around the edges to release your chocolate bomb from the edges. Place the plate on top and flip over the ramekin plate combo and remove the ramekin to reveal your wonderful creation. For some extra panache, add powdered sugar, whipped cream, berries, or any other fruit, like we did here for window dressing. While presentation makes the cake look more appetizing, you are not likely to taste the flavor of the additions with the chocolate explosion you're about to experience. Now that this molten chocolate lava cake is looking beautiful, I need a couple of suckers to experience this chocolate bomb. Why no? Let's see what my kids think.
Oh. Let's try it out. Very chocolatey. Not taste the fruit whatsoever. I had a blueberry. Let me try with the blackberry. Yeah, I didn't taste the blackberry either. I feel the texture, I feel the little seeds, but this chocolate flavor takes over everything.
It's because the fruit's sweet.
You're saying you don't taste it because it's just sweet on sweet?
If it was sour, you would taste it.
I'm fine with chocolate that's very chocolatey. What's a chocolate lover's dream?
It's basically just
Chocolate. Liquid. Liquid chocolate.
liquid. This is the more done one.
So this one should be less fudgy.
This one has a bit more texture. It's a tiny bit crunchy on the top, which I like. I think the more done one is better than the other one.
They all have like about the same flavor too.
You know what goes good with molten chocolate lava cake? This recipe right here.